Experiment time! So, hello everyone, I'm back again on this YouTube channel. My name is Princess P. ABINAL. So today I'm going to make two experiments. So experiment number 1 is titled The Power Bubble. Experiment number 2, the matchstick soaked in water. Now, let's begin. Experiment number 1, materials. 2 plastic bottles, water, yeast, sugar, balloon, and teaspoon for measurement. Procedure number 1. Prepare 2 empty bottles and label the first bottle with yeast and the second bottle without yeast. Procedure number 2. Put 2 teaspoonfuls of sugar to each of bottles. Put also 3 teaspoonfuls of dry yeast to the bottle labeled with yeast. Procedure number 3, slowly pour the warm water. Procedure number 4, put balloon over each of the bottles and wait for half an hour. After half an hour. So, on this experiment, the moment I put the water on the bottle labeled with yeast, there are a lot of chemical changes occurring inside. As you can see, there were tiny bubbles. So, those tiny bubbles are the carbon dioxide gas that the yeast produce. As the yeast was eating the sugar, it produced into carbon dioxide gas. Yeast is also used for baking and it causes the bread to rise and more fluffy. So on this experiment, the reason why the balloon inflates, it's because the carbon dioxide gas that catalyst in is producing as it feeds on the sugar is trapped inside. So carbon dioxide fills the balloon, making it inflate. Experiment number 2, matchstick soaked in water. Here are the materials: candle, cold water, warm water, and matchsticks. Procedure number 1, soak a matchstick in warm water at room temperature for 1 minute. Place the matchstick over a lighted candle enough to light it and observe the intensity or color of the matchstick. Procedure number 2, soak a matchstick in an ice water for 1 minute. Place the matchstick over a lighted candle enough to light it and observe the intensity or color of the matchstick. Based on my observation, the matchstick that being soaked in cold water caused the glow last longer, but it did not have to be that bright. On the contrary, the matchstick being soaked in warm water has the brightest, but it didn't last, unlike the other one. Since the tap water has the higher temperature, the chemical reaction rate increases that causes the particles to move faster in matchstick when it lights. The higher temperature, the more molecules move quickly. The matchstick being soaked in warm water didn't last long, unlike from the cold matchstick. It's not that bright, but it causes the lit to last longer. So, that's it for today. I hope you learned something on this experiment video. So again, my name is Princess B. Abinal from Stanfield 2. Thanks for watching!